is Galang Kurnianto. I am from class 15.1D.07. Part 1. Indonesia versus Bahrain. Indonesia versus Bahrain. In my opinion about Indonesia versus Bahrain, in the first half, Indonesian conceded 1-0 in the 15 minute, then repeat in the 55 minute plus 3 minutes. Then Indonesia won in the 74 minute with a score of 2-1. But in the 90 plus 6 minute, the referee also blew the whistle to end the match. So in the 19 plus 9 minutes, Indonesia conceded again. Indeed, the FIFA rules allow the referee to add time, even though the extra time has run out. About the match should have ended because the ball was already in the middle of the fight. Static Indonesia versus Bahrain. Indonesia statistics are inferior to Bahrain. However, Indonesia played very well compared to Bahrain. Bahrain players always play dirty and drama. Hopefully, Indonesia can win the next match. Thank you. Hello, my name is Galang Kurnianto. I'm from class 15.1D.07. Present simple. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to express habitual action, general truth, or thing that happen regularly. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. This sentence shows that eating breakfast is a routine I do daily. Simple present tense exercises and example. Subject I, they, the cat. Verb 1. Study, play, sleep. Adverb every day in the park this afternoon. Function and uses of the simple present. 1. The simple present tense is used to state general truth or fact. Example, the sun rises in the east. 2. The simple present tense is used to explain an habit or daily activity. Example, I eat breakfast every morning. 3. The simple present tense is used to make simple statements which are generally applicable or not general. Example, she is very beautiful. 4. The simple present tense is used to talk about activities or plans that are scheduled in the future. Example, the train left at 8 a.m. Positive sentence. S plus verb, S or S plus object. I or you or we or they plus like plus then it or he or she plus likes plus dance. Example of positive sentence. Here are some explains of positive sentence. I play the guitar. He work in a office. They study English every day. Present simple negative sentence structure. Subject plus don't or does not plus verb plus object. I don't like coffee. He does not play football. Example of negative sentence. Here are some examples of negative sentence. She does not play tennis. They do not eat meat. Interrogative sentence structure. Question plus do or does plus subject plus verb. What do you on weekend? Where does she live? Example question sentence structure. Do play soccer? Do play soccer? Do you play soccer? Does she like coffee? Does like coffee? Does she coffee? Rules of adding. S or es. S. I miss. He miss. I was. He was. I was. He was. I mix. He mixes. I go. He goes. Es. I study. He studies. I cry. He cries. S. I play. He plays. Verb to be in simple present. Subject plus am or is or are plus complement. She is a teacher. Use of to be am is are in simple present tense. Subject I use am for the subject I. Subject he or is or it use is for the subject he or she or and it. Subject you we they use are for the subject you we or and they. The difference between does or does and to be. Do or does. Do is used with I, you, we, they. Does is used with he, she, it. Ex- Example of using do or does. Positive sentence without do or does. I eat breakfast every morning. Negative sentence. I do I do not eat breakfast every morning. Interrogative sentence. Do you eat breakfast every morning? To be. Am is used with I. Is used with he, she, it. Are is used with you, we, they. Example of using to be. Positive sentence. She is a teacher. Negative sentence. She is not teacher. Interrogative sentence. Is she a teacher? Art verb of time in simple present tense. Always. Example. He always drink coffee in the morning. Usually. Example. He usually walk to work. Often. Example. They often visit their grandparents on weekend. Sometime. Example. I sometimes go jogging in the park. Never. Example. We never skip breakfast. Example of positive, negative, and interrogative present sentence. Do they like play football? Yes, they like play football. No, they don't like play football. Interrogative. Does it rain often in this city? Positive. Yes, it rain often in this city. Negative. No, it does not rain much here. Practic- Practicing positives, negatives, interrogative sentence. She go to school every day. Do you or like ice cream? Does he live near her? Daily routine. Hey Ben, what do you usually do in the morning? Hey Anna, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and go for a run. How about you? I always drink coffee first, then I read the news. Do you have breakfast every day? Yes, I usually eat breakfast at around 8 a.m. That's so nice. I really have team for breakfast. I just grab a snack on my way to work. Well, breakfast is important. You should try to have something healthy. Okay, thank you very much.